G'day guys, welcome to another season workers video from Anton here in Austria, and today I want to talk to you about the purchase of ski and snowboard equipment. So today we're going to talk about how much it usually costs, where to find the best deals, and I'm going to tell you about the deal of the season that I got. So all of this for €200. So I'm going to explain how I did that. So let's talk purchasing ski and snowboard equipment. I myself decided to snowboard this season. I'm a beginner, so I'm just looking for some simple, basic equipment. But I found in my personal experience, whether it was online, whether it was in the stores, even secondhand, it's all pretty expensive. And skiing equipment can also be incredibly expensive, so you really have to be patient and look for the right deal. There are a couple of different ways that you can find better deals for ski and snowboard equipment. For example, you can come at the beginning of the ski season and you'll find that a lot of the stores in town are actually doing massive discounts, sometimes 50% off. But even then I found that a lot of this equipment was still around 450, 500 euro, which to me is just too expensive. I'm a beginner. After the season, I'm probably going to sell the stuff or give it away because I'm not taking it back to Australia and I'm not going to be backpacking around Europe with it. So option one, looking in the stores, nothing, didn't work for me. Option two, secondhand stores around the area. This is a better idea and I usually favor secondhand stores. Unfortunately, it's really a matter of luck as to whether you find the right size and whether something's in the right condition for you. For me, I couldn't find the right size and the things in the right condition, so unfortunately that was an option for me either. I did check online for some new and used ski and snowboard equipment, and I found that there is a website called Spock, SCHPOCK, here in Austria, where basically it's a platform where people can buy and sell used goods. I found the things that I needed in the right size. Unfortunately, people weren't able to actually ship it or deliver it to me because I couldn't find anything in the area on the site. So depending on where you are, maybe you'll have more luck than me, but it is a good idea to check online on these used buy and sell websites. So the third thing that I tried was actually leveraging social media. So I found that Facebook Marketplace actually had a whole array of used and new equipment on sale with better prices. Of course, again, it matters whether it's in the particular size for your feet, for your height, all that stuff. So it did take a little bit longer for me to find everything I needed, and then a little bit longer after that to find the right price. But I did ultimately find all of this snowboard equipment all together for €200. So I'll explain what I got. So I got a head flocker snowboard, which is good for beginners especially. So this is used but in good condition. The guy that sold it to me is actually working in a ski rental shop, so he was able to service it for free, which is awesome. The bindings are in really good condition. They have this little latch where you can undo it and actually adjust the bindings quickly that way, which saves you a lot of time because you don't have to play around with a screwdriver too much. I got really lucky on the boots. The boots are super important, especially if you're a snowboarder and a skier actually, because it molds to your foot. And if you've ever tried renting boots from a ski rental shop, you'll feel the difference straight away. You can be in these all day versus in those, a couple of hours and your feet hurt. So these are from Solomon. They have this quick system where you can release it and take off your boots in a couple of seconds or tie them up really quickly. So they're new. Usually they set you back at least 100, 150 euro for sure. I got these Autovox Swiss wool leather gloves. And also this beanie got thrown in secondhand. So the board and the boots and bindings I got for 180 euro. The gloves and the beanie I got for 20 euro from a different seller, a local in town through Facebook Marketplace. And I got even luckier with the helmet and goggles. A couple of years old, but a mate of mine gave them to me. They have been in use for a few years, so that's how I did it. Got a great deal. I paid only 200 euro, which is amazing because for this you could at least be paying €400 secondhand. And that's all I need to go snowboarding. So let's show you some snowboarding clips. And if you like the video, you find it useful, subscribe, like. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments, and I'll talk to you soon.
Go Wally, the crazy kangaroo. And that's how we board. Get it, Joe, get it! Oh, damn! Like I got tumbled, bro. I got fucking tumbled, man. Nice.